Hello there and welcome back. So today we're reviewing this Demon United ski and snowboard tuning kit. Absolutely love this kit. Used it a lot last season. Comes with a nice file so you can sharpen those edges. Comes with some black and white fill so you can melt down and fill those chips in the bottom of your ski or snowboard. Comes with a nice wax scraper so you can scrape it, keep it nice and smooth. Comes with your wax iron so you can iron that wax and melt it onto the ski. Also comes with a couple other things here. Nice little wire brush, a bunch of wax, and this thing's totally super awesome. It's basically a really quick tuner or edge sharpener. So you can basically, you just take this little file that slides in here, you run it along the side, and kind of is a safe, fail-proof method. It has an angle on one side and then a different angle on the other. So you can get just the right angle when you're sharpening up and tuning your skis or snowboard. So really like this kit, highly recommend it. Saves you a ton of money. I mean, it costs a lot of money to have your skis or snowboard tuned, and when you can do it at home, it's just therapeutic. You do probably a better job, and it costs you a lot less in the long run.